Biochemistry research receives consistent funding each year. After 2010, the researchers in biochemistry moved from the chemistry department to the biology department. Given that the total grants to the chemistry department are 15% lower in 2011 and 2012 due to this shift, what proportion of the biology research grants across 2011, 2012 and 2013 are for biochemistry? So let's look at this. They're 15% lower in 2011 and 2012. So if we're looking at chemistry, that's the red bar here. We have the total for chemistry in 2011 and 2012. That's 1.9 million plus 2.2 million, which is 4.1 million. We're saying this is 15% lower than it should have been. So if we start with 100% and take 15% away, we're left with 85%, or as a multiplier, 0.85. Let's figure out what it should have been originally. 4.1 million divided by 0.85 is 4.824 million. If this is the original value, and this is the new value, then the difference is the funding for biochemistry. That's 4.824 million, subtract 4.1 million, which is 0.7235 million. That's the funding for biochemistry for 2011 and 2012. And we're told that the funding is the same every single year. So if we divide that value by 2, that gives us the funding for 1 year, which is 0.36175 million. If we want the funding across 2011, 2012 and 2013, that's over 3 years, we're going to have to multiply that by 3 to get 1.08525 million. We're asked what proportion is this as a proportion of the total of biology research grants. That's the green bars. So for 2011, 2012 and 2013, we just need to add those up. 1.8 plus 1.6 plus 2.3 is 5.7 million. So this is our biology amount, and this is the biochemistry. We defined this as a proportion of this, which is 1.08525 divided by 5.7. Since they're both in millions, we don't need to add that on. Multiplied by 100, which is 19.0%.